Hi everyone, once again warm welcome to our channel. In this video, we find cube root of a perfect cube in faster way. This is very easy when compared to calculation of square root. For square root, we took 3 steps, yes or no? Here, for calculating cube root, it is just 2 steps. Why it is 2 steps? You come to know it. Calculating square root easy, whereas calculating cube root is much easier than square root. Now observe here, before going to start discussion, important points to be noted down. Here I have considered few perfect cubes. One is a perfect cube, 8 perfect cube, 27 perfect cubes, and so on. Their cube roots means cube root of 1 is 1, cube root of 8 is 2, cube root of 27 is 3, cube root of 64 is 4, 60, cube root of 125 is 5, and so on. Here we focus on cube root of perfect cube ends with which number? See here, 1 ends with 1. Okay. Next, 4 ends with 4 only. Next, 5 ends 5. 6 ends with 6. Next, 9 ends with 9. 0 ends with 0. It means that when we have last digit of perfect cube is 1, its cube root ends with 1. When we have last digit of perfect cube is 4, it ends with 4. When we have last digit of perfect cube is 5, it ends with 5. When we have last digit of perfect cube 6, it ends with 6 only. When we have last digit of perfect cube is 9, ends with 9. When we have perfect cube of last digit 0, its cube root ends with 0. Okay. Next you observe here, when we have last digit of perfect cube is 8, ends with 2. When perfect cube of last digit 2 ends with 2, here its perfect cube root ends with 8. Yes or no? See here. 8 and 2 are interchangeable. When it is 8, it will get 2. When it is 2, it will get 8. Next, again here, you observe here, 7 and 3. When the last digit of perfect cube is 7, its cube root ends with 3. When it ends with 3, it will get 7. Okay. With keeping this in mind, we find the cube root of any number with 2 steps. The step 1 is fix last digit possibility. Step 2, strike off and decide the number. We solve some examples. Look here, we have cube root of 4096. First we apply the step 1. What says first step? Fix last digit possibility. Means you note down the last digit. So here last digit is 6. According to this here, when perfect cube ends with 6, its cube roots ends with 6 only. Okay, got it here. Next, step 2 is strike off. As the cube root, you are supposed to strike off last 3 digits. Okay, last digits, 3 digits. Next, we have to find perfect cube close to remaining number. Which number is remaining here? 4 is remaining. We have to find perfect cube close to remaining number 4, and it should be less than 4. That is 1 cube. Okay, that is, I mean that here this should be less than 4. I mean that 1 cube is less than 4. 1 cube is less than 4. Next, here we use this base. You write this base before 6. That is 16. So that our answer is cube root of 4096 is 16. I hope you got it. Yes or no? Let us see one more example here. So here cube root of 12167. What here? We take first step. What is the first step here? Here, last digit of perfect cube is 7. Yes or no? Here we know that when the perfect cube ends with 7, here its cube roots ends with 3. Okay, so here the first, according to first step, we have to fix the last digit possibility 3. Next, step 2 says that strike off 3 digits. Next, we have to find a perfect cube of the remaining, close to remaining number and less than this number. Okay, that is 2 cube, because 2 cube is 8, 8 is less than 12. Next, here this base you write before 23, sorry, before 3, before 3. So therefore cube root of 1 to 167 is 23. I hope you got it. Similarly, you can solve these examples and some other examples. Thank you for watching.